Hey y'all, it's Saturday, December 30th. Welcome to day 8 of our finance journey. You know, I cooked myself some fried rice. Yeah, today is a very interesting day. As you can see, I am looking at my YouTube analytics and I'm really regretting my life choices. I'm really regretting my life choice. Maybe I should just be filming dumb piano videos for a living. But no, we're here back with another journal entry. Today, instead of actually doing finance content, I'm going to be applying to internships. It's been a week of posting finance content, so today I'm gonna be on the grind, just pumping out as many applications as possible. I literally just prepared my resume and touched it up a little bit. I'm not going to post my resume on the screen because that has way too many personal details about me. But what I will do is tell you the very, very last detail of my resume, and it's that instead of putting like real interests at the bottom of my resume, for my interest section, it just says passion fruit juice enthusiast. Okay, anyways, I'm gonna get back on the grind, and yeah, I guess today's just a grind video. Cheers! That was day 8. Thank you so much for watching. I will probably be applying to more internships for the next 3 days, but today we hit down 2 RBC internships and 2 smaller group miscellaneous internships. I'm gonna be also just knocking out as many more internships as possible. So yeah, wish me luck, and hopefully we land an interview one of these days, and then you guys can also follow along with some of my interview preparation tips, Anyways, that's for another video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you for day 9. Peace out.